We were your hosts.
You were our guests.
We were us, you were you.
Then we put ourselves in the shoes of other people.
And we became others.
We started in groups,
Small, like families.
Like friends around a table.
We spoke with each other.
Our group grew bigger and bigger.
We slipped into other people's roles and positions.
We sat down on other people's chairs.
We have carried sounds and ideas onto streets and into buildings.
we have become more and more.
We've become a mass movement, not knowing where to turn next.
Now we're here together.
As individuals.
But as a group.
We can see each other.
Let's try to imagine new horizons.
Let's try to imagine different futures.
Let's project our ideas onto the city around us.
Together we could invent a new language, a new grammar.
New words that we will need in the future.
We could invent a language that allows us to keep dreaming.
We have been listening together.
We have been thinking together.
We have been writing on our fleeting version of Utopia together.
Now, let's allow our bodies to speak.
Let's dance together.
Everybody in their own way.
This is the Manchester shop. Exploring the ideas of a utopia within a city was something that I'm really interested in.
They asked me and my son, do you want to get involved with this festival thing? And I said, yeah, no problem, yeah. They were friendly, so I couldn't say no really.
Something which explores Manchester in a different way just sounded interesting to be involved with.
The logistic of the whole process is impressive. I mean, get it right to make it work at exactly the right time. So yeah, that's quite achievement, I think, on the MIF side, yeah.
Being the first voice in that journey and those people being so engaged and so exciting and taking the next step after that.
People of Manchester, they're very friendly people.
I agree. It's wonderful experience of people giving their own idea of Utopia. You learn new things every day because every day is different clientele who comes and participate. So it was wonderful.